There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in B5 Blue Pearl. With illuminated air catcher headlamps, Demon air grabber hood, 18-inch aluminum wheels, 4-piston lightweight brakes, rear one-piece spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, wide wheel Alcantara steering wheel, only 4 miles on the odometer, folks. An 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, Dodge SRT performance pages, dual zone temperature control, a rear seat delete, trunk carpet delete, and this is all powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number GM50155.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.